Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign out of Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Evernote app on your device. Once you're in and you've finished working with your notes and notebooks, you're ready to sign out of your account. This is especially useful if you're using a shared device or simply want to switch between different Evernote accounts. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your name displayed there, which acts as your account menu. Go ahead and click on your name to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This is where Evernote keeps all your profile and account management settings in one convenient location. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Sign Out option and click on it. This option is typically listed among other account-related actions, making it easy to locate. Selecting this will initiate the sign-out process and prepare to disconnect your account from the current session. After clicking Sign Out, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is Evernote's way of making sure you actually want to sign out and didn't click the option by accident. The confirmation prompt helps prevent you from losing access to your notes unexpectedly, especially if you have any unsaved changes or ongoing work. It's an important safety feature that ensures you're making an intentional decision to end your session. In the confirmation window, you'll see a sign out button. Go ahead and click on it to complete the process. Once you click this final button, Evernote will immediately sign you out of your account and return you to the login screen. Your session will be ended and your notes will be safely stored in the cloud, ready for you to access again whenever you log back in. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of your Evernote account, ensuring your notes remain private and secure. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.